Man, just got through building my computer, man. So y'all can see the internals, man. I still got the tape and stuff on it, man. It's all the way done. And took time to do the wire management on the inside. Got 3 ring Halo Trios up at the top. Full RGB. 3 Halo ring fans, a Thermaltake around the case. This is my cooler. It is a dual fan up here. 2 Corsair Vengeance RGB sticks of RAM. I'm running a 750 Seagate Focus Gold power supply to support this 57XT Red Devil. Killing. I got a Ryzen 8-core processor, 26 or 3600. I have to look in the box. I forgot. Really got started late yesterday with putting it together, probably about like 4 o'clock. So I got all the hardware done, most of the wiring done. Then I got sidetracked, took a break. Came back today, did all the software, all the wire management. It's a full case made by Thermaltake. It's a View 31. And here, let me get Red Devil on the back. RGBs. All my wire cable management. 220s in the front, 12 at the top. And I got my SD drive, M.2 all in there. A Barracuda 2 terabyte hard drive just for like miscellaneous stuff. A gig Crucial solid state. Like I said, 500 Samsung 970 plus M.2 operating system, everything on there. I got my monitor up there right now. I still got to do a little bit of work to my area. RGB keyboard, mouse. So yeah, it's coming together. PC done. Everything's software all done on it. Of course, Windows X. Feeling good, man. Wire management, a little bit chunky at the bottom, but for the most part, it looks pretty clean, pretty organized. I don't want to really mess it since it's all glass case. You got to be very careful with those. But yeah, PC is finally built. Cool.